Hello DIY Glamettes. Welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. And if you're new here, welcome. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 glamorous high-end DIY based centerpieces using mirror mosaic tile, crushed diamond epoxy rhinestone, and diamond bling wrap. Now if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, now let's get these 5 glamorous high-end DIY projects started. Alright Glamettes, we're going to do a little something different. I'm going to be showing you all of my pieces up front. So this is that Lindor vase, these hurricanes from the Dollar Tree, and these stemless wine glasses. I do have my other upcycled piece that I'm going to be showing you on the end, so please make sure you watch this video in its entirety. We're using spray paint, scissors, mirror mosaic tile, and that crushed diamond epoxy and that diamond bling wrap you're going to see as well, along with my glue gun and my glue sticks. We're going to paint these pieces. Now we're starting these DIY projects. They're going to be very simple and easy to follow along, so please make sure you follow along with me as we complete these DIYs. And to family, if you're not a family member of Glam Queen of DIY, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also subscribe to the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen Vlogs, and our inspirational channel, New Life of the Carolinas. this concludes these 5 glamorous high-end DIYs. Let me know in the comment which one is your favorite. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. And please family, do not forget to subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, Glam Queen Vlogs, and the New Life of the Carolinas. We appreciate your love and support.